Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger, and now let's dive right in. Now, to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger, first open up your Messenger on your phone, and after that guys, first you'll be required to go to the profile of that person whom you want to restrict. Either you can search for him or her on the search bar, or you can go to the people settings or the people option at the bottom of the list or the screen, and from over here you can choose anybody whom you want to restrict. And after opening their profile like this, at the top of the screen you can see their name. Tap on their name and this kind of interface will appear, and if you scroll down you can see the restrict option available at the bottom of the list, just above the block. Tap on restrict, and there guys, this is how you restrict a contact or somebody on Facebook Messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.